Montana is a long state. Very long. According to Google, some 550 miles long by I-90. Add that to the nearly 450 miles from Portland to the western Montana border, and somewhere along the line, the same person is bound to ask, why would you drive that far for a deer? Not afflicted with the burden of sanity, the thought never crossed our minds. I loaded up and made the short-ish drive to Spokane to meet Craig at his place. It's a nice stopover on the way and gives us an opportunity to share a few cold ones, get caught up on life, and catch a few Z's before continuing the long haul to eastern Montana in the morning. This would be our fourth year to make the trek over. Fourth year hunting mule deer at all, for me at least. And each year took us to new heights on our learning curve and gave us a better appreciation and understanding of the country we're hunting in. This year especially, we entered the season with a heightened optimism for what might lay ahead. Great. You didn't think we were going to drive you right to our spot, did you? Alright, enough intro. Let's go hunting. So we've got a decent little 4-point spotted. Just trying to make a stalk on him, get around him with the wind. So with a number of does, a few of them blew out, so I'm a little bit nervous. I want to make sure that we're hoping he didn't blow out. So, not the biggest buck in the bunch, but he's a good 4-point. One of the better fours we've seen in the last 2 days. So that's not saying much, but I don't have a mule deer on my wall yet, so gotta put one up there sometime. Hey, so I was just telling the people the story of our mule deer hunt.
Yeah.
And was just getting to the part where I made that epic stalk on that deer.
Yeah, where I forgot to hit record.
Yeah, that one.
Well, why don't you just look at reenacting it?
Think that'd work?
I think it would.
Okay. I lost him. You got him out there anywhere?
Yeah, I do. Just to the left.
Just to the left?
Yep. There. Just to the left.
Oh, I got him. I got him right over.
You got it?
Yep, I got him.
I think he's a shooter.
I think he's a good buck. I'm gonna shoot him.
I'll tell you. I'm so happy. He's decent. He's not great.
He's a nice little.
He's good. I'm happy. Chris finally got a muley.
It's a nice buck.
It's all right. Got some decent mass. Not super wide. Ooh, he's stinky. He's a ruddy son of a gun. Nice.
That is. Yeah, he is. He's a pretty deer.
Yeah.
Really pretty. Look at that. He's been fighting or rubbing.
Yeah, you can see him.
Yeah, I didn't
They're
notice
all
that.
wore up.
Yeah. Third day in Montana. First mule deer.
Looks like you got horns on your back.
Feels like it.
So this is the primer for restocking the freezers. It's freaking hot. Yes, it is. Oh, shit. Oh. Cheers, man.
Ask a local about the weather, and they're likely to tell you, wait a day, it'll change. And change it did. We entered our last day of the trip on the heels of a passing cold front. The temps had dropped from the 70s to the teens in short order, and that was fine by us. It finally felt like November in Montana.
It's the last day. We picked up a herd in a field on state land. We've been working our way up the creek bottom, trying to stay low for the last 35 minutes. And it's a nice 4-point in the herd. We're just trying to keep the profile low and keep our fingers crossed.
Oh, hi. I fucking drilled him.
Watch him.
I'm watching him. Dude, his fucking leg is stiff.
Yep. He's dead.
He's dead. Trust me. I saw it hit.
They're looking at him, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they're sniffing at him. All the little bucks are just running all around.
I missed on the first one. I was high, so I just aimed a little bit lower. Probably about a foot lower. I didn't change my turret. Yeah. And I held just on the front of his chest for the little bit of windage. I just hope he doesn't get up and run off.
I think he looks good. Yeah. Good mass. Good tine depth. Nice color. He's a pretty buck.
He's a pretty buck.
He's a pretty buck.
Today's our last day. We have a long drive in front of us. We have about 11 hours back to Spokane. And then Chris has another 5.5 to Portland. So, last day buck.
Beauty.
With the coolers full of venison and new memories for us to recount, we pointed the truck west and started the trek back home. We were blessed to both punch our takes this year, and while that's always the goal, it's rarely our gauge of success. We had some exciting hunts, took in some beautiful new scenery, shared some great company, and, well, frankly, just had a damn good time. So, Yeah. Thanks, Montana. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
Do, 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 do.